Hey, how's it going? Ramon D's here, and today I want to take just a few moments with you. I'm glad that you're here. I want to go over some updates to ConvertBox. This is actually what's being called ConvertBox 2.0. All right. If this is your first time to this page, then you may not be familiar. I've been promoting ConvertBox for probably about a year now, and I believe this is the best app on the market for list building, delivering personalized marketing messages for anybody who's a content marketer, anybody who understands personalized marketing. And again, this is true for people who run small local businesses. It's true for people who do affiliate marketing. If you run a marketing agency, the truth of the matter is if you do anything in the digital marketing space to promote the products and services that you sell, one of the things that you should be doing is building an email list, because stats prove email delivers about a 44% return on investment for every dollar invested. Okay, that's according to the Direct Marketers Association. So when it comes down to email marketing and building an email list, there are numbers of apps on the market, but one of the reasons why I love ConvertBox, and we're going to go right into the demo in just a moment, I love ConvertBox because it's a universal application, meaning you can use it on WordPress websites, which I'm a fan of, but you can also use it on ClickFunnels. You can use it on HTML sites. ConvertBox is really, it's a universal application. It works great on all kinds of different platforms. So I want to jump in and let you see exactly how this has improved. And again, for some of you, it'll be an introduction if you weren't familiar with the first version of the application. Now, right away, as of course I'm already logged in version 1 of the application, there was no preview image, but now we've got a preview image for each of the convert boxes that have been built. All right, so that's great because you can scan really quickly, see the convert box that you're looking for without having to read, you know, each line here and say, well, which one is this and which one is this? No, we know the saying, a picture's worth 1,000 words. So it's a time-saving tool, or it saves more time now than what it used to. All right, so I love that. One of the major updates, or I should say the major update that was done in 2.0 over 1.0 is the visual editor. So we're going to walk through that in just a moment. Actually, let's just go on and get started right now. So I'm going to click on New Convert Box. All right. And then I'm just going to call this a demo. Demo 2.0. And then I'm going to put this inside of my demo convert boxes. Now, select convert box type. You can see there are 4 different types. Now, one of the things that's so great about this, and I'm just going to start right here in the upper left with the sticky bar, it comes with different templates that can be customized right out of the box. Okay. Prior to this, you had to build your own convert boxes. Now we've got templates that we can get started from. Absolutely a time saver. And I love what's available here. Okay. Or if you don't want to go with the template, right here, it says skip and build from scratch. So if I click this, then there you go. It's a completely blank canvas. But what I want to do is actually click exit. I want to come back, do a new demo, because I want to show you how easy it is when you are using one of the templates. I'm going to go with the center modal, click select, and you can see the templates that are available right out of the box. All right. Now I'm going to just go with, this one, the workshop. Okay. Workshop could be a webinar. Then we see, of course, consulting, live events, reports. You may be giving away a chapter of a book if you're an author, limited time offer. If you're looking to do some segmentation, if you're a little more advanced user when it comes down to email marketing, maybe you want to provide some training or lead generation type of use of the app. Okay, but let's go with the workshop. So we're just going to click here, and then as you see, it's fully loaded already and ready to go. So as I just clicked on this, that image is, let's see, we can remove the image. Right now it's set up for center, to be centered. And it also shows right here, show image as a full width banner. Well, that's turned on. If we turn it off, now we see it's not set up as a banner. But notice this sliding. See how that works? Now, I love that. It's still a very nice, clean, professional look. But if you want that image to really show up as a banner, just hit that one button and there you go. All right. Now, join our free workshop. Again, with the visual editor, it's a drag and drop. So you're going to see, just as I'm hovering here, it says select to edit, drag to move. So I'm just going to click, hold my mouse button down, and I can move it anywhere I want to move it. I can bring the button down here, or I can bring this back and leave it just like it was. Now, I've got the undo or the redo buttons that make it really easy in case you make a move and you realize that's not exactly what you wanted. The undo, redo helps you to go back to a previous state of the particular ConvertBox that you were building, or whatever the case may be. Now, on this particular ConvertBox, there is no profile image. I want to show you how easy it is to add a profile image. It's a nice touch we see on certain websites these days. It's just a matter of clicking this button. Now you see my headshot, which has been previously used, is already set up. So it says click to edit, and then I can just come in here, type my name. All right. Now, that was quick and easy to select that, change that if I wanted to. Again, I can, let's see, get rid of the profile title and the profile name. Or, let's see. Okay, when I click out here, if I want to, I can just get rid of the profile altogether. All right. Now, let's say I wanted to add a video to this. Then it's as simple as hovering over the video, click once, drag and drop. Boom. There's the video element. And just to show you how easy it is to add a video to that, if I click on it, all I need to do is put a video embed code here. Okay. So just to do this really quickly, I'm going to go to YouTube. I don't have a video pre-selected. I'm just going to grab one. Oops. I'm going to grab a video and just grab the embed code just so you can see how easy it is to drop a video in there. These guys over at Beggins Real Estate. So let's see, click on share, embed. Okay, Control A to select all, Control C to copy. Come back over here, drop the embed code. Boom, there's your video. Now, control the video size, as you can see. Max is 650, all right. Show videos a full width banner. Look at there. Hide video on mobile devices if you want to do that for any reason. Of course, mobile, sometimes the bandwidth is going to be a little reduced from, say, a Wi-Fi connection. Let's say I wanted to get rid of this image altogether. There you go. Now, look at that. That's really nice. I tell you, these guys at ConvertBox, boy, I love them. And then you can still, if you wanted to add, say, another image someplace else, then I can put an image in there. And then real quick, just to show you what that looks like, I'll just pull back pane, use image. Okay. Of course, that image can be made larger, full width if necessary. So again, you can see this visual editor is pretty versatile. Now, if we need to, if we want to add some urgency, we can drop a timer in here. And let's say the countdown timer is going to be 3 days. We want the countdown timer to be immediate. Let's make it large. countdown timer. Let's say we want that to pop, so we're going to make it red. Okay, there you have it. Now select, let's see, this button. Okay, with this button action, there are several things that can be done. Let's say you want to segment the people coming into your meeting. Okay, and then we're going to pretty much wrap this up. There's so many features in here. There's no way I could keep this video a reasonable length. When I say reasonable, I think, you know, under 15 minutes. It's just going to go long. But I wanted to give you a sense of some of what's available here. But if you wanted to do some segmentation, we can add, well, we can actually. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So you can very easily segment the people if necessary. You can segment the people that are signing up, let's say for an opt-in, maybe segment people signing up for a webinar, or in this case, if it's a live event workshop, it doesn't matter. There's so many different ways to do this. And then at the same time, let's see. This can be set up to do a 2 column as opposed to a 1 column. All right. We can set it up so that it has a left orientation, a center orientation, or a right orientation. We can go back to 1 column. I mean, the way and the options for customization of this are huge. Let's say we want to do a background image. Well, I'm going to upload a new image. I'm going to backgrounds, just for the heck of it. Use image. Look at there. All right. All right. I want to say objective here. I absolutely love ConvertBox. So I trust you can see the time, the energy, the effort, the skill that has gone into creating this application. I don't think there's anything on the market that's better. If I click mobile, then you get a chance to see what this looks like on a mobile, and you can actually change. Let's see. We can make that small, or we can make it large. Leave it at medium. But you can actually customize the look and the feel that's seen on mobile. See how easy it is to customize the size of the font, the line height, to make it look better on mobile. Close. We can make that a little, there we go. It went from 4 lines to 3 lines. And again, for mobile, that may make more sense. On mobile, we may want small buttons as opposed to medium-sized buttons. And then make that small as well. Then click save, okay? We can activate now or later. I'm just going to say later, because I don't want that showing up on my website. Okay, let's return to editor. Now, just in case you are unfamiliar with ConvertBox overall, really quickly, I'm going to hit on these. First, the display. You can trigger this to show immediately. You can show after a specific time, so many seconds. Show on page scroll, say 50%, 60%, 25%. Duration. Select how often each visitor will see this ConvertBox. We can say, well, to each visitor for a maximum of 8 views, but no more than 3 views per day. If we don't want to seem too intrusive, we can select whether we want this ConvertBox to show on specific pages of my site or someone else's page using an overlay link. Okay. Now again, we can overlay this ConvertBox on someone else's website. Again, absolutely huge. I'm not going to take the time to walk all the way through all this functionality, but what you will see is you will see beneath this video several buttons with ConvertBoxes that I've built out for the 2.0 version, and you will be able to see this at work within our website. And then I'll do one showing up on another website so that you can see that this functionality works. All right. Targeting. Look at here. Visitor targeting is disabled when showing your ConvertBox on a shareable link. Okay, good to know. Let's go back here. All pages of my site. Now when we go to targeting, show to all visitors on my website or target specific visitors on my website. And then we can go with different rules. We want this to show to returning visitors only after they've been to the site 3 times. Then we can see, I talked about personalization earlier. This is huge because, okay, device type, we can set this up to show up specifically on desktop or mobile. I'm going to hit cancel on this. URL string keyword. Show this ConvertBox if the visitor's URL string contained. Okay, so in other words, we only want this ConvertBox to show up on specific web pages on our site where there's a very specific URL string. Okay, again, it's giving you the opportunity to really personalize who your ConvertBoxes show up in front of. Okay, you may not want your ConvertBoxes showing up in front of anyone and everyone who comes to your website. We can set this up so that it only shows up to people coming from Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. I trust you can see those kind of watermarks there. What's another visitor rule here? Oops. Visitor's location. Austria, Australia. Okay, so you may only want your ConvertBox showing to people who are from Australia, if they visited certain pages, if they've seen certain ConvertBoxes. Maybe they need to see ConvertBox number 1 before they see number 2. See, I got to cut this off. This video is going long. Autoresponder activity. You may want them, and again, I'm using ActiveCampaign for myself as well as clients. And then again, the direct integration. Show this ConvertBox if the visitor is on a particular list. The options go on and on and on. So again, I trust that you see there is such a great value here. And I'm just going to hit cancel on that. And then you can also set goals. Do you want to set a goal for this ConvertBox? You may have a goal of getting a button click, getting them to subscribe to an opt-in form, or visiting a specific page if it's in a ConvertBox that's designed to redirect traffic. Okay. Now, what I also want to do, let's turn this off. Let's go back to customize. Let's go to desktop, ConvertBox setup. Now, remember, one other thing I want to show you. This is a central modal. Let's say we want to change this to a call out modal. Go to select, change ConvertBox type, and just that easy, we've got a call out now. Now show profile, and now this kind of gives what they call it is the new chat style call out. And again, I'm sure you can guess with that headshot there, that's going to grab some attention and it's going to help drive conversion on a call out working on your site. All right. So again, tremendous value here. Now, on the, as you can see, we did lose the background color. You can set that to show any one of those 2 different page positions. Let's see, I want to come here. I want to close this, go back to ConvertBox setup. Let's say if you want it to be full page, change type. There you go. Now we got a full page that's set up. Okay. So I trust you can see tremendous value here. So if you decide you want to get on board with ConvertBox, there is a one-time lifetime investment right now, which is one of the reasons why I love it. We do have some bonuses that we are making available for anybody who gets in before the timer on this web page expires. So I trust you'll look that over. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. There's going to be a chat, messenger chat function that you can ask a question, and I will reach back out to you and respond at my earliest opportunity. Would love to help you to become more productive and more profitable in your business. And I know that ConvertBox is a tool that can absolutely make that happen. The case studies, this success stories, of people utilizing this app and the conversation that's going on inside of the official ConvertBox community, which, hey, I invite you, come join, poke around, take a look, see what people are saying. But by all means, if you have questions, we'd love to be able to help. And like I said, the bonuses are available for anyone who decides to pick this up through my link. All right. Trust this has been a great value to you. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. Make it a great day.